Guys, eat tayo guys ng patsin canton. Ay, sarap guys. Ay, kasama sa atay guys. May naaga, madanggang gabi guys. Oh, guys. Kain, ito na yung apo namin guys. Kasi guys, mabigat na sa kanto guys. Guys, may yung kinakain ko, mapali. Ito guys, oh, repolyo guys. Tsaka ano, meron siyang repolyo, may carrot, tsaka ano, kanton. Ayun guys, oh. Ayun, oh, nakaupo siya guys. Lola ko maganda.